Have you ever dreamed of making an amazing movie but thought it was too hard or expensive? Well, guess what? You can create awesome videos like a pro using free AI tools right from your computer. That's right, totally free. Today, we are going to learn how to make a cool, realistic animated story using AI. We will write the script, design the scenes, and animate everything without spending a penny. So let's get started. Every great animation starts with a great script. It's like the plan for your story, but writing a script can be tricky, right? Not anymore. Let's use ChatGPT. If you want ChatGPT to create a story for you, there are two ways to do it. You can ask ChatGPT to give you story ideas and titles, or you can come up with your own title and ask ChatGPT to write a full story based on it. When asking ChatGPT to write a story, especially if you plan to use it for an AI video, you must include detailed description of all characters. Be sure to specify their clothing, hair color, gender, footwear, and any other important detail. This is crucial because it helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you want. The more details you give, the better and more consistent your story and video will be. First, ask ChatGPT for a story script idea. For example, you could say, write an engaging and original narrative script for a story titled The Princess and the Magic Horse. Divide the story into scenes and provide image prompts and motion prompts for each one, ensuring consistency in character profiles. For each character, include name, age, gender, hairstyle, face description, outfit, footwear, background description, action. The tone should be suited for children with a focus on humor and adventure. Make sure each scene is visually clear and suitable for a YouTube video adaptation. Include all the characters' details in the image prompt. Provide 3 paragraphs, narrative, image prompt, and motion prompt for each scene. Now, ChatGPT is generating a full story with scenes and details. Copy the story and paste it into Word document or Google Doc. I will leave the prompt I used in the comments below. Next, let's create the visuals for your story. Go to Google and search Clink AI. Click the first link and create an account. Clink AI is a fantastic tool making images, typically from text-based prompts. It allows users to create high-quality videos using artificial intelligence, making it useful for content creators who want to produce engaging videos quickly. When using Clink AI to create videos, it's very important to provide detailed description of characters, scenes, and action to get the best results. You can see here, it has 3 options: AI images, AI videos, and effects. Click on AI images. Each free account gets 166 credits, and each image costs 1 credit. So you can make up to 166 images. Plenty for your story. Here, you can enter the image prompt, describe the image you want to create. You can also upload a reference if you want, and choose the size. Copy the first image prompt from your document and paste it in the prompt section. Choose the size. I will go with 16:9. Then choose how many images you want. You can see here that each image costs 1 credit, and you can generate up to 9 images at a time. Now click Generate. In a few seconds, you will have amazing images for your story. Look at all these images. It's fantastic. Pick the one you like best and save it. I will do the same for the rest of the scenes. Important notice: sometimes the characters might look a little different in each image. To fix this, here are 4 tips. First, give clear details. Describe the character's hair color, clothes, eye color, shoes, and any special features. The more details, the better. Second, use the same prompt every time. If you need the same character in multiple scenes, copy and paste the same description so they stay the same. Third, Add character references. You can upload a picture or use a reference to keep the characters look consistent. Fourth, make small edits if needed. If something looks off, adjust the prompt, a title, and try again until the character looks right. Now that we have our images, let's bring them to life. Still images are great, but moving pictures make your story even better. Click AI has a tool called AI Video that helps turn pictures into videos. Go back to Dashboard and click on AI Video. Click History, and here you can find all the images generated. Upload the image you want to use for the first scene. Go back to your document, copy the first motion prompt, and paste it in the prompt section. The motion brush lets you make parts of a picture move. You draw on the image to show what should move, and the AI will animate it for you. You can use creativity to add more details and make the animation more unique. You can also choose the mode. The standard mode costs 20 credits, while the professional costs 35 credits. I will use the standard mode. You can also choose duration 5 or 10 seconds. The count option helps you choose how many times the animation should repeat. You can control the camera and how objects move in the scene. And you can also use a negative prompt to tell the AI what you don't want to see in your picture or video. Once you're happy, click Generate and wait for your video to be created. Repeat this for all your scenes. Now let's add voices to our characters using 11 Labs, a tool that creates realistic AI voices. Go to 11 Labs website and create an account. 11 Labs provide a number of credits to use for free. If you run out of credit, you can simply go to Google, search temp mail, and you will get a new temporary email to use and generate more credits. If they ask for the confirmation email, you can scroll down and find it here. After login, click Text to Speech. Copy the dialogue from your script and paste it into 11 Labs. Make sure that you put the dialogue in order. Choose a voice that fits your character, adjust the settings, and click Generate. Preview the audio, and if you like it, download it. Finally, let's put everything together using CapCut, a free video editor. Import your videos, audio into CapCut. Arrange the scenes in order. Sync the dialogue with the visuals and add captions, transitions, and effects. Adjust the volume so everything sounds balanced. Once you are happy with your video, export it in high quality. And there you have it, a professional-looking animation made with free AI tools. Let's recap. We used ChatGPT to write the script, then we created stunning visuals with Kling AI. We added motion to our images with Kling AI video tool, and then we gave our characters voices using 11 Labs. Finally, we edited everything together in CapCut. Now it's your turn to try it. Follow these steps and you will be making amazing animation in no time. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy creating. Here is a sneak peek of the story we made.
Princess Bella was tired of her royal duties and longed for adventure. One day, while walking through the stables, she met Timmy, a mischievous stable boy with big dreams of flying on a magical horse. A flying horse? That's impossible! Bella laughed, but Timmy winked, maybe not. Just as the sun set, something magical happened. A magnificent horse with shimmering white fur and sparkling wings appeared before them. I am Thunderwing, the horse spoke. Are you ready for an adventure? Bella gasped, and Timmy eagerly climbed onto Thunderwing's back. With a burst of wind, they soared into the sky. This is amazing, Bella shouted, her hair flying in the breeze. The stars twinkled as they flew higher. Suddenly, a grumpy dragon appeared, grumbling, What are you doing here, meddling little children? Bella was scared, but Timmy smiled. We're just having fun. The dragon's fiery breath missed them, and Thunderwing swooped and swerved, dodging the attack. With a final burst of speed, they outmaneuvered the dragon and flew off into the peaceful night sky. We did it! Timmy cheered. Bella smiled. Thanks, Thunderwing. The horse winked. This is just the beginning.